So hi everyone, we are from group 2. Today we're going to discuss about customer behavior. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Zahwa Nura Aziza with my friend Bintang Nadhiva Balqis. Next please. So marketing concept. The premise that marketing consists of satisfying consumer needs, creating value and retaining customer, and that companies must produce only these goods that they have already determined would satisfy consumer needs and meet organizational goals. Marketing segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So in marketing segment, it is defining a market into subset of consumer with common needs or characteristic. In targeting, it is selecting the segment that the company view as prospective consumer and pursuing them with distinct offering, and the position is the process by which a company creates a distinct image and identify for its product, service, and brand in consumer minds. Next, please. So in next slide is discussing about segmentation, targeting, and positioning are implemented across the 4 components of the marketing mix in the 4 Ps. The first is product or service. The features, design, brand, and packaging along the post-purchase benefits such as warranties and return policy. The second is price, the list price, discount, allowances, and payment methods. The third is place, the distribution of the product or service through store and other outlets. And the fourth is promotion, the advertising, sales promotion, public relation, and sales effort that develop product awareness and demand. Next, please. So in target audience defined involves segmentation the market basis. There is the age, gender, geographical location, income, family structure, lifestyle, and social class. So in customer value, satisfaction, and retention, customer value is the ratio between consumer perceived benefit, economy, functional, and physiological, and the resource, monetary, time, effort, and psychology they use to obtain those benefits. In customer satisfaction, customer perception of the performance of the product and service in relation to their expectation. And consumer retention is turning individual consumer transaction into long-term customer relationship by making it in the best interest of consumer to stay with the company rather than switch to other firms. Next, please. So in next slide is discussing about technological and customer relationship. Technologies often enhance customer relationship and retention by engaging customer with brand. For every brand, the company website includes suggestion on how to use the product more effectively. And social media are means of interaction among people in which they create, share, and exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and network. Next slide, please. In consumer loyalty and profitability, marketers need to understand that not all consumers are the same. Smart marketers focus on building a relationship based on consumer profitability by keeping track of how much they buy and their shopping habits They categorize customer into different levels based on how profitable they are, and then create a specific strategy for each group.
Okay, so the next one is social responsibility and ethics. Marketing should consider both societal and individual needs, as well as those of the organization. The societal marketing concept asserts that companies benefit from thriving society and that marketers who practice ethical behavior and social responsibility can cultivate lasting consumer loyalty. Moreover, they believe that ethical and socially responsible behavior are not only beneficial for their image but also lead to higher sales. Next one is consumer decision making. Consumer decision making involves three components. The first one is input. So in input, there are segmentation and targeting, then communication from marketer to consumer, then socio-cultural dimension, and the last one is communication among consumer. And then the process, the examination of the human mind, mental factor influencing behavior, and the cognition that prompt individual to act and shape their behavior, including motivation, personality traits, perception, learning, and attitudes. And the output consists of purchase behavior and the evaluation after making a purchase. Okay, so the next one is employability or brand image. Brand image involves enhancing and preserving a brand unique identity in its product category. It is based on marketing principles that focus on meeting consumer needs and ensuring customer loyalty through the marketing mix component, which are product, price, place, and promotion. And the next one is advertising. Advertising involves writing advertising copy, designing visual, targeting specific message to the appropriate audience at the correct moment, and selecting the most suitable media platform for ad placement, as well as scheduling and duration. And the next one is consumer research. Consumers are multi-phase individual with various psychological and social needs, requiring marketers to analyze consumption behavior in order to tailor products and strategies accordingly. Consumer research involves studying consumer behavior through tools and processes to identify marketing opportunity and evaluate strategies, ultimately assisting marketers is understanding consumer needs and preference. So this is our study case, which is Gucci and the K-pop influence, a strategic approach to consumer engagement. Gucci's strategic use of social media combined with the influential power of K-pop idols creates a powerful correlation that significantly impact consumer behavior. This strategy not only enhances brand visibility and loyalty, but also drives sales, proving the effectiveness of celebrity endorsement in the luxury fashion industry. As both Gucci and K-pop continue to grow in popularity, we can expect this trend to further shape the landscape of consumer behavior in the business of luxury brands. The integration of K-pop idols into Gucci's social media strategy influenced consumer behavior in several ways. The first one is brand awareness. The combined reach of Gucci social media channels and K-pop idol influence lead to increased brand awareness among a broader audience. The second one is purchase intention. Seeing their favorite idol endorse Gucci product, fans are more likely to develop a strong purchase intention. And the third one is hedonic shopping motivation. The pleasure derived from shopping for brands associated with beloved idol can lead to hedonic shopping motivation, where the shopping experience itself brings joy. And the last one is economic impact. The endorsement deals and social media campaign featuring K-pop idol can translate into significant economic gains for Gucci, as fans are willing to spend on luxury items endorsed by their idol. So the conclusion is the partnership between Gucci and K-pop star combines luxury fashion and celebrity influence. K-pop idols serve as effective promoters, increasing engagement and extending Gucci reach, especially in Asia. This joint effort not only boosts brand recognition but also foster customer loyalty, influencing purchase decision and contributing to Gucci's success. And that's all from us. Thank you.